Pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox wenda tikulandireninso pamene tabwera ndi mawu a bambo Samuel Lwara. Samuel Lwara tikukumbukira kuti last week anali ndi interview pa Zodiac ndipo yanena kuti iwowa ndithu ndi ochitsatira chipani cha Malawi Congress Party, koma padakali pano iwowa akusapota wachiwiri kwa mtsogoleri wa dziko lino olemekezeka a Saulos Klaus Chilima kuti ndi amene akufuna kuti iwowa adzayimire pa mpando wa president mu chaka cha 2025. Ndiye lero Lwara akufuna kukambapo maganizo awo pa zimene zachitika ku Karonga kumene kunali zisankho zachibwereza kapena kuti ma by-elections kumene kwa anthu a Karonga amasankha makhansala amawodi atatu, ndipo mawodi atatu onsewo zikuoneka kuti kumeneko chipani cha Malawi Congress Party ndi chimene chapambana. Nditaona ndithu akuluakulu ena chipani cha Malawi Congress Party komanso tunazina zaboma zikusangalala kwambiri kuti chipani cha Malawi Congress Party chawina mipando yonse itatu, kusonyeza kuti anthu a Karonga akukondwera ndi utsogoleri wa olemekezeka President Dr. Lazarus McCarthy chakwera. Koma Lwara pano akubwera kufuna kutsutsa kuti zimene zachitika ku Karongazi sinde kuti zikusonyeza kuti anthu a ku Karonga akusangalala ndi ulamuliro wa Lazarus chakwera, koma zimene zachitika ku Karonga ndi zakuti anthu sanakavotere chipani cha Malawi Congress Party koma avotera anthu amene amakonda ndi kale, ngoti anthu tsopano anasankha kuyimira chipani cha Malawi Congress Party. Ndi MCP asasangalale kwambiri kuti chipani chawo chikakondedwa ku Karonga chifukwa chokuti kunalinso anthu ambiri ku Karonga amene anasankha kuti sanafuna kukavota, pa chizungu timati kuti voter apathy, ndipo iwowa ngati Lwara ali kalikiliki kufunitsitsa kuti anthu amene sanakavote ulendo uno akavote 2025 kuvotera a Saulos Klaus Chilima. Nditiye ndikhale limodzi kuti timve kuti Lwara maganizo awo pa zimene zisankho zayendera ku Karonga ndi otani, ndipo mwapito wake tipemphani kuti mukhale pomwepo ndiponso mutiwuzeni maganizo anu in the comment section below kuti kodi assessment ya Lwara mukuiona bwanji, ndi olondola kapena pena pake pakuperewera. Timakunyadirani ndipo zikomo potitsatira ife masiku onse pano pa Nyasa VoiceBox. Ndikhale limodzi pamene tikumvera Lwara.
Good evening, my comrades. That was about Lwara wati kufera chipate. This is very interesting, a good democracy. About zisankho za Karonga. MCP linde ngati awina di maujenos tinanena kale. Ku Karonga is not about the party politics. And amene anayimira zipani. I've been saying this. I visited Karonga. And amene anayimira zipani ndi anthu omwe anthu a ku Karonga akuakonda. It's not about party politics. Aye. Komanso too, when MCP is celebrating like that, it's a sign of celebration of failures in politics. Because a good political party, you can apanga woo, and you can see the unused votes. The unused votes in the ambiri kwabas. So many people didn't vote. There's a voter apathy in Karonga. So because MCP is good at winning, let it win. But also, MCP is in government. What we want from MCP is not winning by elections or whatever. What we want to do, what we expect MCP to do, panopa ili boma, is to do the right things for the Malawian. Osati ku Karonga go kamera winners ujeneko. We know how the campaign has been. A lot of things zachitika ku Karonga. Koma what I say, or what I said, when somebody now is referring me to these by-elections of Karonga, it's just a waste of time. Moreover, what contribution, Makansala Makandichan. The whole MCP party was campaigning there in Karonga. Even including a DPP, I mean, I joke at DPP. This is the type of cheap politics that Malawians, we should not accept and tolerate. Yes, MCP has won, but what are these people going to do? Are they going to change the northern region? Are they going to change the national politics? If you want winning party, when you want to win elections, win. But the thing is, what is it? Some of us, we don't discuss about these small things like zisankho za ku Karonga. There's no justification. I was there in Karonga. The people who I care, the many sana vote, the unused votes, people registered in their large numbers. But why have not these people have not voted? Sana vote. Sana vote. Maybe they're not even happy with how things are getting on in Malawi. Win. So we don't want to change from that. That thinking amati chosema. I would rather love to see all the unused votes. Vote. But why have they not voted? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. paipa gona nkhani chifukwa chana anthu ambiri kukalonga sanavote. Why? Anthu akalonga sanavote. Because this time, I talked this other time, in silence, there's a lot of things. Tikona mene mucha celebrate MCP. You want to win votes. But when you win votes, you fail to make use of that power that is vested in you through a vote. I'll pass and vote, but what will change things in Karonga? Kodi vote akupasa niyo mwawina mawodi mwawina kukalonga. Congratulations, by the way. Koma mukati mwawina koko muyambe kunyoza nzano. You are campaigning for those people who have lost. Celebrate carefully and wisely. And make yourself kuti mawanda close in charge. You are still in government. Winning elections, what you expect from you is to perform. Do the right thing. Not per constituency level, not per ward level. As a country, what are you going to do? You are very good at winning elections. Just remember Gisa Chitos Tazuon, Mawina. Thank you. But if you're now going to personalize my issues, Kuti Lwara or Wayoku, I'm still MCP. The only thing is I don't understand. I don't even agree with some of the things that is happening in the MCP. Singhani so many years. You don't understand by that. And my campaign for the vice president, I'm not looking at the my by-elections, campaign, my constituency, campaign, Chipana. I'm looking at the vice president position. That's it. So when you take me and I'm going on my social media, hey, Lwara, in a cinema, let me tell you, mutapendi no mtawina gari. Mawina, kuma muprabe, because of your behavior. Your behavior, now na Secretary General MCP, alipa mwamba, Moti Secretary General, akanakara pay. You could have the last person to talk. Meaning that the Secretary General, the Munhoti na Yesu pena bake, integrity yake siyo vekabli. A big man like that one, a chief executive officer, akanaya kambapo after electoral commission ita urusa zisango. You will say results electoral commission. It's when he can come and comment. Suppose Marizati Umina Sinta, what is the Secretary General going to do? So what I'm trying to say about the Secretary General is there's no executive discipline in MCP. And they're so excited with small things, winning a by-election. No, that's not what we want. It's Zipani. But you can see how MCP has invested in this election. I should invest kwambiri. So the more that I've invested, the thing is, actually invest na Mozambique and they're in government. And the two, campaign yao yani yoti a peasant team and hen. That's why people didn't vote. There's no democracy. Benezima kali. Kumba mafuna ti ena yaki za wawe team. Lwara aziwe kuti Lwara akunyoza MCP chipancho. Never. It will never happen in Malawians. Those people have not voted. Nima vota Malawi amene avotable. The people who have not gone, who boycotted or didn't go to vote. They are news votes. That are the votes that I'm looking for. Next time, want those votes. And how many hours I vote? Chifukwa cha nsala vote and how Karonga. This is the question that a winner must ask himself. Kukanga ni mamenyana ndichi mcha kufa. Joka ya fakale mkuimenya. That's what I've done in Karonga. What you have to do is mwawina zisango inde kwa MCP mwawina. Kwa mamu MCP mwemu tikamba close anaso zala tai Lwara kwela kupa. I never campaigned in Karonga. It's not a campaign, Karonga. And my job is not to campaign, even per constituency level in Kumaraku. I will not campaign for anybody. I will only campaign for the presidency. That's all. Young and your president, bas. Moreover, I don't have any position in MCP. I don't have any position. And I've got no powers. Even Capital Karonga, got to MCP. Still can't now campaign. Because it's also meant I'm a committee. I'm not in the committee or executive committee MCP. So when someone is posting on my social media, could you frustrate me? No. Inea ze Malawi unuziwa ndale bwino. Because I mean sana vote. Those people who make them vote for Chidima. That's what you have to know. Chidima is silent, and his people, his supporters are silent in everything that is happening in Malawi politically. And I mean sana vote unda Chidima. Ndukuzana Malawi. Those people have not voted. That's Chidima. Kuma samena vote now. That's Chidima. Look at the numbers. Who can be happy like this? Malawi Electoral Commission has wasted a lot of money. Kumapanga print my ballot boxes. giving people allowances, but all voter, very few. Just imagine. Can we be happy, Malawian? All voter, pang'ono. All that money. There's many son of voters, son of Christian Chitos, zipita kuti. So Malawians were so careless when we come to elections. Our parties have not done enough because Mena Queen are 120. Someone can just give and Kungo Apasa 10,000, which is about 1.2 million, and win the elections. We don't want that. Zone MCP Mapanga celebrate Mawin and 120 votes. And UTM yatenga pena tenga 71 votes. MCP pena tenga 58 votes. Kona number how many voter twale chakuti. Are you happy there mudeni Mawina zisango? And you go home celebrating, making noise on social media? Never. No one has won those elections in Karonga. Tikapinene mwachilungamo pa umuntu pa nzeru za muntu. No one has won those elections in Karonga. The elections have not been won, and no one can celebrate with those figures. My figures are all high. See my figures oti chipani chachikulu cha wina ndi my figures amenewo with a lot of unused votes. Palibe chachitika pamenepo. So my position is clear. Amene mkuninyoza zinyoza komame amene sana vote ndi amene ali amalawi ozindikira. Amene avotawo question mark. Amene avotawo question mark. And if MCP mufuna mzingona zisango kwa kulephera kwenesa boma, nthawi imene mwakhala mutakhale mu office kuzafa 2025 tikuona limene mutapangisa. And you see how we Malawians will do, especially pa President Paul Cup. You never go. It's better chilima zakhale ndi 8 zakhale ndi makansala pang'ono koma zakhaleso ndi ma MP pang'ono koma boma zatengabe whether we like it or not. Tidakali kulimbana tili pa mchenga tili mu mchengatu ndiye zati mwina maponda ponyowa muthamanga sanga. But I'm telling you Malawians, as an MCP member, many maziwa MCP, many have voted up anthu Karonga. Singane chipani chatu, it has got a lot of job to do. MCP ndi chito ya ikuru kwa MCP. Maga zati mwina minimum committee. You have got a lot of job to do. Democracy sima in the choncho ya. Democracy is making everyone happy. Azikandichi kumbukumbu yoti azikandi kukhumba muntu ndikavotele. Not the way it has been voted in Karonga. To me, I call that winning ya MCP ku Karonga meta winning. Zochisamba nyazi. We experience bigger figures. Chifukwa na ambiri sana vote. There's voter apathy in Karonga. That's what I've said. Look at the money wasted in Karonga, and the people have voted for MCP to win the elections. So parties have got out of job to do. And two, zipani yourselves zimene zikulimbana ku Karonga apart from DPP. Also undato salance. Also kulimbana undato salance. When MCP has won, Tosalance has won. That's it. Trust me, nakubwele poela uti pama by-elections mwizima bwanji. We have never heard about that agreement. We are still Tosalance, nyumba imozi. Komanso 2, MCP mwini drama. Komanso mene tawo zuzula kwa mbili ya MCP. Chena zipanga panopa ndikulimbikisa azi wononga ndama za mbili to convince the few people to vote for them and win by-elections gata. Oh, wow. Let me hope this is the last by-election so far. But for me, that MCP since 1994, by-election of Karonga, it has been worse to all parties. The number of people who have voted, who have taken part in voting for their winners or for their losers, as compared to the resources that have been wasted there. And time consuming, heavyweight people going there to campaign. Alibe chance Karonga. My campaign for a good leader is not to find a good councillor or a good member of parliament. No, by direction is to tell people who is the rightful candidate in 2025. That's it. Kwa Karonga chwa mandiputa kuti mkuni kuuza za Karonga. Mavota amene sana voted amene onda president. Kwa kanisa cha president mavota kana pila chilima. Asalaw da chilima mene. Thank you very much and good night. But congratulations to those people who have won. Kukaronga kulibe zachipani apapa. Kukaronga asanga muntu. Ndimena ndi khalidwe lake. That's what I know about Karonga. Thank you and good evening.